Hi boys and girls, time for a Tom and Tabby story. Today Tom and Tabby are going to learn about expressing their feelings. Tomcat and Tabby Cat were playing with their Legos when Tabby Cat accidentally broke Tomcat's Lego airplane. Tomcat's face got really red and his fingers curled into fists. He wanted to scream and hit. How was Tomcat feeling? I want you to turn and tell the person you're with about a time when you felt this way. Oops, it was an accident. I'll help you fix it, Tabby Cat said as the wing fell off Tom's Lego airplane. Hey, Tom yelled, and he pushed Tabby Cat down. Don't touch my stuff! Tabby Cat started to cry. Tom picked up his airplane and threw it at the wall. Then he grabbed Tabby Cat's Legos and he smashed them in the bucket. I want you to turn and tell the person you're with if you think Tomcat was expressing his emotions appropriately. Tomcat, please stop. I know you're mad, but it isn't okay to throw things and yell, Tabby said. I said it was an accident, and I'm really sorry that I broke it, but we can still fix it. Tomcat hugged himself tightly and took 3 deep breaths to calm down. I'm sorry for throwing a fit. I just get so angry, Tom said. Will you forgive me? Tabby Cat gave him a big hug. Of course, but please try to stay calm, even if you're mad. All right, now it's your turn. You use your own Tom and Tabby to show how they can express their feelings the right way when they're playing together.